Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Sync. In today's session, we are going to learn AWS means Amazon Web Services. And in today's session, we are going to discuss all this point. What is cloud computing? What is AWS? Advantage of AWS global infrastructure, and lastly, AWS services overview. So firstly, we are going to our first point. What is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of compute power, database, storage, application, and other IT resources that through a cloud services platform via the internet with pay as you go pricing, whether you are running application that share photos to millions of mobile users or you're supporting the critical operations of your business. A cloud services platform provides rapid access to flexible or low-cost IT resources with cloud computing. And a cloud computing is a simple way to access services, storage, database, and broad set of application services over the internet. A cloud services platform such as Amazon Web Services own and maintain the network connected hardware required for these application services while you provision and use what you need via the web application. The next is history of AWS. So you can see here in 2002 AWS services were launched, and in 2006 AWS cloud products were launched. Then 2012 AWS had its first customer event. Then 2015 AWS achieved 4.6 billion. Then 2016 the 10 billion renews target. Then 2016 AWS Snowball and AWS Snowball Mobile, and lastly in 2019 released approximately 100 cloud services. So now, what is AWS exactly? AWS is Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform by Amazon. AWS services can offer an organization tools such as database storage, compute power, content delivery, and other user-friendly functionality services to help business grow and platform better. And these services or building blocks are designed to work with each other, result in applications that are sophisticated and highly scalable. And its flexibility, scalability, and its pricing at its complete capacity, these are the reasons that makes AWS one of the best in market. Now, the next is reference model. You can see here the reference model of AWS. So now the next point is advantages of AWS. So first advantage of AWS is easy to use. So AWS is designed to allow application providers quickly and securely host of your application, whether an existing application or a new SaaS based application. So you can use the AWS management console or well documented web services API to access AWS applications hosting platform. Then flexibility. So AWS enables you to pick out the operating system, programming language, web application platform, database, and other services you want. With AWS receive a virtual environment that lets you load the software and services of your application requires. Then security. AWS utilized an end-to-end approach to secure and harden to infrastructure, including physical, operational, and software measures. For more information, see the AWS Security Center. Then scalable and high performance. Using AWS tools, auto scaling, and elastic load balancing, your application can scale up or down based on demand. You have access to compute and storage resources when you need them. Then reliability. In AWS, you take advantages of scalable, reliable, and secure global computing infrastructure. The virtual backbone of Amazon.com's multi-billion-dollar online business that has been honors for our decode. Then, lastly, cost effective. You pay for the compute power, storage, and other resources you use, with no long-term contract or upfront commitment. For more information or comparing with AWS, see the AWS Economic Center. Now, next is AWS Global Infrastructure. So now the AWS, you can see here region and coming soon. So AWS Global Infrastructure, it's built around AWS regions, that availability zones, and AWS regions in a physical location in the world where we have multiple availability zones. Availability zones consist of the one or more discrete data centers, each with redundant power, networking, and connectivity housed in separate facilities. These availability zones offers you the availability to operation applications and database that are more highly available, fault tolerant, and scalable than would be possible from a single data center. The AWS cloud operates in 81 availability zones and 25 regions around the world, with announced plans for more availability zones and regions for more regions. So now, so you can see here 25 regions are around the world, and announced of plans for 24 more availability zones and 8 more AWS region in Australia, India, Indonesia, Israel, New Zealand, Spain, Switzerland, and UAE. And the last point is AWS services overview. Amazon Web Services offers a broad set of global cloud-based products, including compute, storage, database, analytics, network, developers tools, management tools, IoT, security, and enterprise applications. These services helps organization move faster, lower IT cost, and scale. AWS trusted by the largest enterprises and hottest startup to power wide variety of workloads, including web and mobile applications, game development, data processing, and warehousing, storage, achieve, and many others. So in compute, services under the computing domain in AWS are all about high-end servers that are used to host a web services like EC2 instance, Lambda, and in available and storage services available under the storage S3 means simple storage services, elastic file system, then storage gateway, in database like RDS means relational database service, then and in network VPC, direct connection. So in AWS there are so many services. So these are some services. So we will learn in detail. So in this video we have learned what is cloud computing, what is AWS, advantage of AWS global infrastructure, and then lastly AWS services overview. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share, and subscribe our DevOps channel.